Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your WhatsApp profile picture from specific contacts that you have. So to do this, all you need to do is go to your WhatsApp and go to your settings from the main menu and clicking here and going to your settings. And what you want to do next is click on account and click on privacy. Here you can see that you have a profile photo, and we've selected to be able to send by my contacts. You can select nobody if you want no one to see it, but you all you need to do is select my contacts except this option, and then you'll be given a list with all your contacts, and select the contacts you don't want your photo to be able to be seen by them, to be appearing to them. So just mark up with the contacts you don't want to see your photo and click OK, and that's pretty much it. So hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.